In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add YouTube TV to another TV. So the first thing you want to do is ensure your TV is a smart TV or connected to a compatible streaming device. So this could be a Roku, an Amazon Fire TV, a Chromecast, or an Apple TV. Connect your TV or streaming device to your home Wi-Fi network. Then on your smart TV or streaming device, navigate to the App Store. So this could be Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or Roku Channel Store. Then search for YouTube TV in the App Store. Then select download or install once you find the YouTube TV app. Once installed, open up your YouTube TV app. Then on the sign-in screen, you'll see a code. Leave this screen open. On your smartphone or computer, go to tv.youtube.com/activate. Then sign into your YouTube account if moded. Then you'll just need to enter the code displayed on your TV. Then select allow to link your account to the new device. The TV should automatically refresh and then log you into your YouTube TV account. Then you can start watching YouTube TV on your additional TV. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.